Basic English conversation practice. English speaking practice for everyone. You are watching Quick English by Neil Sir. Let's begin. Lesson number 1. Meeting a friend.
Hello, Nancy.
Hi, John.
Have you reached there?
Yes, about 10 minutes ago.
I just got off the train. We'll be there in a minute.
That's okay. I will wait for you inside.
Where are you now?
I'm at the perfume store.
Should I come there?
Yes, come here quickly.
Do you want to have a cup of coffee later?
Sure, let me finish from here first.
Lesson number 2. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, are you American?
No. I am not.
Do you speak English?
I do just a little bit.
How long have you been living here?
It's been over a month now.
Lesson number 3. What's your name?
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jenny. What's yours?
My name is Mark.
You are very fluent in English.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what time is it?
Sure. It's 2 p.m.
Thank you. I guess I am a bit late.
You better hurry up.
Thanks.
Lesson number 4. Where are you from?
Hi,
Hello,
how you doing?
I am good. How you doing?
Good. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I speak English very well.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson number 5. Do you want something to eat?
John, do you want something to eat?
Yes. I've been starving for an hour now.
What would you like to eat?
I don't mind a burger with some French fries.
They don't have any burgers left. Would you like anything else?
Okay. I guess a cheese sandwich would be fine.
Lesson number 6. Now or later.
James, where are you going now?
I am going to the market. I need to buy something.
I am heading towards the market as well.
Would you like to come along?
Yes, that's fine. We can go together.
I will be leaving now.
Can we go a bit later?
No, I need to reach there before 4 p.m.
Should we drive up there?
Yes, it's too far to walk.
Lesson number 7. Introducing a friend.
Joe. This is my friend Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny.
Nice to meet you too.
Jenny, what do you do?
I'm an artist.
Where do you work?
I have my own studio in New York. What do you do?
I am a professor.
What do you teach?
I teach mathematics.